Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we are going to solve question number 4, evaluate from exercise 1A of chapter number 1 integers of standard 7 Selina, ICSE. So let us see the first question. The first question is 15 multiplied by 8. If we look here, both the integers are positive. So 15 is also positive integer and 8 is also a positive integer. So 15 8s gives us 120 and the answer will also be in the positive form. The next question is 15 into the brackets minus 8. Now here if we notice one integer is positive. Whenever there is no sign given, we have to assume that the integer is positive, and another minus 8, that is negative. So whenever there is one positive and one negative integer, the answer will always be in the negative. So the answer will be minus 120. The next question is minus 15 multiplied by 8. Again 15 8s will be 120. Same, we have to evaluate over here. One integer is negative and one integer is positive. So the number of negative integers is 1. So the answer will be negative. In the fourth question, minus 15 multiplied by minus 8, if we see both the integers are negative, so the total number of negative integers is 2. So we can say that 15 8s is 120 and minus minus will become plus. So here we can conclude that the product of an odd number of negative integers is always negative. Whenever, जैसे कि यहाँ पे एक इंटीजर नेगेटिव था, यहाँ पे भी एक इंटीजर नेगेटिव है, कभी 3 इंटीजर्स नेगेटिव होते हैं, कभी 5 इंटीजर्स नेगेटिव होते हैं. सो वेन एवर देर इज़ एन ऑड नंबर ऑफ नेगेटिव इंटीजर्स, आंसर हमेशा नेगेटिव होगा. एंड द प्रोडक्ट ऑफ एन इवन नंबर ऑफ नेगेटिव इंटीजर्स इज ऑलवेज पॉजिटिव. वेन एवर there are the number of integers which are even. Suppose 2 integers are negative, 4 integers are negative, 6 integers are negative, then the answer will always be in the positive. Hope this video was helpful. Kindly consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. Thank you.